On March 8, 2022, Apple's hardware engineering senior vice president John Ternus teased the upcoming Mac Pro processor at the Mac Studio release despite no set launch date. Could a launch be just around the corner? Even with 4 recent patents created to tackle the issue of third-party GPU support, Apple Insider can't guarantee the patents will lead to products. Previous Mac Pros have launched every 5 to 6 years, so if the gap remains relatively the same, the new Mac Pro won't arrive until June 2026. Business machines have suffered worldwide sales declines due to tightened budgets, and the Mac Studio announced earlier more than satisfactorily compensated for the Mac Pro customers. The introduction of the influential M series with integrated graphics also pushed the Mac Pro to the background. By having the ability to upgradable GPUs, RAM, and other features, Apple is able to satisfy the demanding users of Mac Pro's Puget Systems, a boutique PC vendor, reported a great number of Mac conversions to Windows due to the cost-to-performance ratio, the relevance, and the sheer value of the Windows-based workstations. Other cons of the Mac Pro mainly revolved around upgradability, software compatibility, and lacking components storage. It's difficult for Apple to match the hardware updates of competitors AMD and Nvidia. The decision of when to launch the Mac Pro comes down to Apple's ability to take on these challenges of hardware and software advancement and gain a worthy ROI. Even with all this uncertainty and the potential challenges, there still lies hope for the Mac Pro users' expectations and a chance for the Mac Pro to make a triumphant return.